Massive crash during a snowstorm in New York State. In New York State, a major chain reaction crash involving 37 vehicles occurred on Interstate I-81 near Lafayette amid a powerful snowstorm and near-zero visibility. 8 people were hospitalized, including 2 in critical condition. Police say the crash was caused by whiteout conditions, heavy snowfall, and strong winds. The highway was closed for several hours for rescue operations and road clearing. Authorities warn that severe winter weather continues to impact the region, highlighting growing risks from extreme climate conditions.